Hello there. I expect by this point we're all familiar with the ratios in a 45-45-90 and 30-60-90 triangle, but just in case, I thought I would make a video where we go over where those numbers come from again. So for both of these, we're going to set our hypotenuse to be the almighty 1. And that's because this is really useful later on when you're doing the unit circle and you have a radius of 1 and figuring out what those sine and cosine values are. So this one on the left, 45, 45, 90, that must be an isosceles triangle because the base angles are congruent, and the converse of that statement we proved was also true, that if the base angles of a triangle are congruent, then the triangle is isosceles. So we know that those are both equal to each other, and we can call them both x. And then we can write the Pythagorean theorem. So it's got to multiply together that hypotenuse squared. We can gather like terms. We can divide through. X squared equals 1/2. So x must be the square root of 1/2, which is the square root of 1 over the square root of 2, which is 1 over root 2, which we can rationalize, the root 2 both on top and bottom. And when that is all said and done, we're going to get root 2 over 2. So, put those all in over there. Whoa, good morning. Okay, these bricks going on in the background. I'm going to finish up this video. The trick in the next one over here, whoa, maybe I don't want that. I'll erase it. The trick in the next one over here is we can reflect this. So given that reflection, that's going to be length 1. And now all of the angles that we see in here are actually 60-degree angles. So that means that this whole side here is 1, which means that this side has to be 1/2. And then to figure out this length, we'll call that, let's call it x, it's horizontal. Figure out that length x, you can set up the Pythagorean theorem. We'll expand that, do some subtraction, take a square root. And that's going to be root 3 over the square root of 4, which is the square root of 3 over 2, which is exactly what we thought it should be. So, once again, in a regular 30, 60, 90 triangle, that short side there, that's going to be 1/2, and that longer side is going to be root 3 over 2, hypotenuse is 1. Thanks for watching. Character and Scholarship for Life.